Yep. It's me again. Yep. You're really red and not white. And no, I ain't spreading hatred, but I'm cleaning up all that prejudice and racism and hatred that y'all still trying to put out here. Yeah, I'm talking to the white man. I mean, the white folks, the red people. Yeah, God hates Esau, the descendants of Esau, the Edomites. I got scriptures though. Yeah, but before we get to the scriptures, I had to write this down. Your pride has deceived you. Your hate, your anger, your envy, and your pride shall kill you. Ezekiel 35, verses 11 through 15, Obadiah, verse 10. And then read the whole book of Obadiah. Really, it's one book and one chapter. It explains why God hated Esau. All right? This ain't no hate speech, but it's a justice speech.